Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open any editing application. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add one photo or video, and then add first 20 photos of first theme. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust your photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now click on audio and then go to Match Cut and Auto Generate Beats. Now click on Beat 1. Now set first clip to 3.0 seconds and then rest of the clip to 0.1 second. Now set a photo to 0.5 second before the beat point. Now again set remain photos to 0.1 second. Now, delete the remaining photo and add background and set background photo to 0.8 or 0.9 second before the beat point. Now add next theme photos. Add up to 20 photos. Now adjust photos to full screen and set photos to 0.1 second. Now again set photo to 0.5 second before the beat point. Now again set photos to 0.1 second. Now add one background photo and set to 0.8 or 0.9 second before the beat point. Now add the next theme photo and repeat the same process. You can create 8 to 9 themes by following the same process. Now add text. Go to text and write your text. Choose font and style and place the text. If you want to write the second text, then you can leave some gap and write. Trim the text layer to first clip. Now write the name of your theme. Trim the text layer. Now type the name of theme. First write the first half of the name. Then split the text from between and then write the full name. Now trim the text layer. Now write the next theme name and repeat the process. You can add 6 to 7 themes. I have made only 3 themes, so I'm deleting the remaining audio. You can make all themes by just following the same process. At the end of your editing, check your video and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.